Question 1 reads 0.45 may be written as, and they give you the options 9/20, 4/5, 9/10, and 5/4. This computation question is not a difficult one and it should not take more than a minute to solve. 0.45 is a decimal, and this can be expressed as a fraction, which is 45/100. Now this does not look like any of our answers here, so clearly we have to reduce this fraction into its lowest terms. So if I divide both of these numbers by 5, both the numerator and denominator, I should get 9/20. Therefore, my correct answer for this question is A. Now if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share, and comment below. Questions like these we posted weekly on YouTube. You can see the solutions by clicking the scroll icon in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now to access these slides, you will have to visit my website at knowledgescroll.com. In particular, you would have to go to exam preparation, and here you can see the slides on the website. You can scroll through, and just like I said before, if you click this icon in the bottom left hand corner, you'll be taken to the solution to the question on YouTube.